day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying every day. See you in the next life, you can be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it's squeezed till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days.
Now I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Basically what we did, we eliminate the aux and instead install the Bluetooth. So now we have to activate aux, which means the Bluetooth is activated. Now we turn on our mobile phone. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. And here it is. This one. Now it's activated. Now we can go to YouTube. And play any sound we want. That's it. Now the radio is playing from my mobile phone. Very simple. Let's try another one. Cool, right? Now simply we turn off the aux, which means Bluetooth. And we're back to normal radio. That's it. Thumbs up.